Hello friends, it's Monday, October 31st, and I'm back at White Point Gardens again, which is otherwise known as the Battery. Took a chance to fly my drone and get out over the water today. Started off initially a little bit windy, but then really calmed down. Turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. A couple of boats out there, sailboats. Also you'll see a little bit of the Harbor River cruise that's out there. But otherwise, beautiful day out here in Charleston. Out in front of me is the Ashley River, and also the Cooper River is on the other side. Those come together to form the Atlantic. So please also take a look at my other video that I put out there with my motorcycle trip down to White Point Gardens. So that's it for today. Please, if you find this of some value, please like and subscribe. And as always, if any comments, please let me know.
Take me back into your heart.